Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're taking a look at HSBC, specifically their US operations, found at www.us.hsbc.com. HSBC is a multinational banking and financial services organization, offering a wide range of products and services to both individual and corporate clients. Navigating their website, you'll discover options for personal banking, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and investment services. They also provide wealth management solutions for those seeking more specialized financial guidance. For business clients, HSBC offers commercial banking, global banking and markets, and private banking services. Their online platform aims to streamline banking tasks, allowing users to manage accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and access important financial documents. HSBC emphasizes security and provides various resources to help customers protect their financial information. While their website offers comprehensive information, understanding the specific features and benefits of each product or service may require further investigation. Be sure to carefully review the terms and conditions associated with any financial product before making a commitment. HSBC's global presence can be a significant advantage for individuals and businesses involved in international transactions. They operate in numerous countries and territories, providing a network that facilitates cross-border banking. However, it's important to be aware of potential differences in services and fees depending on your location. Exploring the HSBC website can provide a good starting point for understanding their offerings, but consulting with a financial advisor is always recommended to ensure you make informed decisions aligned with your specific financial goals. Don't hesitate to utilize their customer service channels for any questions or assistance you may need during your exploration of their services. It's essential to compare HSBC's offerings with other financial institutions to determine the best fit for your individual circumstances. Consider factors such as fees, interest rates, accessibility, and customer support when making your decision. Remember, managing your finances effectively requires careful consideration, and choosing the right banking partner is a crucial step in achieving your financial objectives.